In December 2024, we travelled to LA and were super excited to visit Disney California Adventure for the first time. As a family, we love theme parks, and our favourite part is always the rides. In this video, I'm going to take you through our top 5 ride recommendations at Disney California Adventure, as well as give you some top tips and tricks to help you plan your Disney day. I'm Sarah from 3 Kids in a Suitcase. If you enjoy this video, why not subscribe for more fun videos and travel tips with kids? And make sure you let me know in the comments which ride you love the most at Disney California Adventure. Okay, grab your Mickey ears and your sense of adventure, and let's dive into the top 5 rides you absolutely cannot miss at Disney California Adventure. Starting at number 5. Radiator Springs Races. If you've ever dreamed of racing through the deserts of Radiator Springs with Lightning McQueen, then this is your chance. Located in the heart of Cars Land, Radiator Springs Races is a beautifully immersive ride that mixes thrilling race action with stunning scenery. You'll cruise past glowing neon signs, explore the beauty of the desert landscape, and even encounter characters like Mater and Sally. The real fun begins when you face off in a race against another car. Will you take home the checkered flag? Only one way to find out. This ride is perfect for everyone in the family, and the visuals are really cool to experience. While you're there, take a stroll through Cars Land itself. It's basically like stepping into the movie. You'll be surrounded by the charmingly quirky sights and sounds of Radiator Springs. And don't forget to get some pictures in front of Flo's V8 Cafe and the famous Crazy Cone Motel. Pro tip, the lines can get long, so try hitting this ride early in the day or using the Lightning Lane, which is Disney's Fast Pass service, to skip the wait. On to number 4, Soarin around the world. If you've ever dreamed of flying without leaving the ground, then Soarin around the world is the ride for you. This is a gorgeous 4D flight simulator that takes you on a breathtaking aerial tour of some of the world's most iconic landmarks. From the pyramids of Egypt to the Great Wall of China, you'll feel the wind in your face and even catch a whiff of ocean breeze as you glide through the stunning landscapes. The experience is peaceful yet awe-inspiring, making it a fantastic break from the thrills, but still full of wonder. Whether you're gazing at the majestic Eiffel Tower or soaring over lush landscapes, it's a ride that leaves you in awe every single time. Pro tip, the ride's immersive effects such as scent, wind, and movement are part of what makes it so magical, so make sure you don't miss out on any of the small details. And now, number 3, Pixar Pal-A-Round swinging version. The Pixar Pal-A-Round is a classic Ferris wheel, but with a cool Pixar twist. You can choose the swinging gondolas, which sway back and forth as you ride, giving you a little extra thrill, or opt for the stationary gondolas if you're more of a take-it-easy type of family. Either way, you'll get amazing views of the entire park. The ride is themed around Toy Story, and the giant wheel features colourful, iconic Pixar characters. It's the perfect blend of whimsy and thrill. Pro tip, if you're not keen on heights or swings, go for the stationary gondola. It still offers beautiful views with a much gentler experience. But my recommendation is to go for the swinging version. It's lots of fun. We're getting close to the top ride, but first, number 2, the Incredicoaster. For the adrenaline junkies in the family, the Incredicoaster is the ultimate thrill ride. This high-speed roller coaster takes you through a fast-paced adventure with the Incredibles, chasing down baby Jack Jack and ultimately saving the day. Starting with a major launch, we're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, and you're zooming through loops, sharp twists and drops, all while evading Syndrome's evil plans. The coolest part? The ride is filled with amazing special effects that bring the world of the Incredibles to life. You'll hear all of your favourite characters, see them in action, and even encounter Jack Jack's mischievous antics. It's a high-energy, fast ride packed with fun. Pro tip, if you're afraid of inversions or loops, you might want to sit this one out. But if you're ready for an adrenaline rush, this is your ride. Okay, it's the moment you've been waiting for. Number 1, Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. Get ready to have your mind blown and your stomach do quite a few flips. If you're a fan of the Guardians of the Galaxy movies, you're in for a wild ride. Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout is an adrenaline-packed free-fall experience that'll have you screaming in excitement. You'll join Rocket the raccoon as he recruits you to help break the Guardians out of the Collector's Fortress. As soon as the doors open, you're plummeting down multiple drops with unexpected twists and turns, all the while grooving to a killer soundtrack. Seriously, those tunes, we're talking 70s and 80s bangers, will have you feeling like you're part of the crew. It's thrilling, it's loud, and it's a definite must-do attraction at Disney's California Adventure. Pro tip, the ride sequences change every time you ride it, which means you can experience a whole new adventure each time, so make sure you hop on again for a different spin. There are so many awesome rides at Disney California Adventure that we really did have a hard time picking our top 5, so let me just add a couple of honourable mentions. Firstly, Toy Story Midway Mania. It's a fun, interactive arcade game where you can compete to get the highest score in a classic carnival game. And also, The Little Mermaid Ariel's Undersea Adventure. This is a calm, family-friendly boat ride through the colourful world of The Little Mermaid, and is super cute for the little ones. Well, there you have it, friends. The top 5 rides you absolutely cannot miss when visiting Disney California Adventure. Whether you're racing with Lightning McQueen, soaring through the sky, or rocketing down an exhilarating drop tower, there's no shortage of fun for everyone in the family. Don't forget to capture those epic memories and also grab a churro or two along the way. Let us know in the comments which ride you are excited to try. We'd love to hear about your favourite Disney adventure. And if you'd like to see my top 5 ride recommendations at Disneyland California, check out this video. See you soon!